In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do keyword research with Semrush. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find keyword opportunities quickly and confidently. First, open Semrush and head to the keyword overview. In the top navigation, choose SEO, then click Keyword Overview. This is your starting point for a quick snapshot of any keyword's potential, giving you the essentials you need before diving deeper. Next, enter a keyword. Type in a term that represents your topic or product, like make money online or best laptops. Then hit search. Think of this as your seed keyword, the anchor that will help you uncover a whole landscape of related ideas. Now, check the key metrics that appear. Start with search volume to understand how many people look for this keyword each month. Higher volume usually means more traffic potential, but not always the easiest win. Then look at keyword difficulty, shown as KD%. This estimates how competitive it will be to rank. A lower K% means an easier path, especially if your site is newer or you're building momentum. Also, review intent. Semrush tags keywords as informational, navigational, commercial, or transactional. Align this with your goal. Educational content pairs well with informational intent, while product pages fit commercial or transactional intent. From here, open up more possibilities by clicking the Keyword Magic tool. This expands your seed keyword into a list of related terms, variations, and long-tail phrases. Explore the groups and suggestions to spot patterns, questions people ask, comparisons they make, or modifiers that add clarity and intent. This is where you find the specific angles that can set your content apart. When choosing which keywords to target, look for a balance, lower KD% and a decent search volume. You don't need the highest volume term to win. A well-selected, more specific phrase can bring in targeted traffic that converts. Prioritize relevance to your content and audience needs, and make sure the intent matches what your page will deliver. Finally, save your selected keywords to keep your research organized. Check the boxes next to the terms you want, then click Add to Keyword Manager. This creates a clean list you can return to later, and it helps you track changes and refine your strategy over time. And that's it. You opened Keyword Overview, entered a keyword, reviewed the core metrics, explored ideas in Keyword Magic tool, picked balanced keywords and saved them to Keyword Manager. You now know how to do keyword research in Semrush quickly. Thanks for watching.